In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. It has transformed the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. With millions of users scrolling through their feeds every day, social media platforms have become a goldmine for businesses looking to reach their target audience. However, as the landscape becomes increasingly crowded with influencers vying for attention, brands are starting to realize that bigger is not always better. Enter the rise of micro-influencers, individuals with smaller but highly engaged followings who have the power to make a significant impact on your social media strategy. In this article, we will explore how leveraging their authenticity can revolutionize your approach and help you achieve tangible results. The power of authenticity. One of the main reasons why micro-influencers are gaining traction is because they offer something that traditional influencers often lack: authenticity. These individuals have built genuine connections with their followers by sharing relatable content and being transparent about their experiences and opinions. This level of authenticity resonates deeply with audiences who are tired of overly curated content from larger influencers. Building trust. Trust plays a crucial role in any successful marketing campaign, and micro-influencers excel at fostering trust within their communities. Their smaller follower count allows them to engage more intimately with each individual, responding to comments and messages personally. By partnering with micro-influencers who align with your brand values, you can tap into this sense of trust they have already established among their followers. Niche expertise. Micro-influencers often specialize in specific niches or industries such as fitness, beauty, fashion, or travel, areas where they possess deep knowledge and expertise. This specialization makes them highly credible sources within these communities and enables them to provide valuable insights or recommendations that resonate strongly with their audience. Higher engagement rates. While macro-influencers may have a larger number of followers, their engagement rates tend to be lower due to the impersonal nature of their interactions. On the other hand, micro-influencers enjoy significantly higher engagement rates as they are more accessible and responsive to their followers. This heightened level of engagement translates into increased visibility for your brand and a greater likelihood of conversions. Cost-effective marketing. One major advantage of working with micro-influencers is that it can be a cost-effective marketing strategy, especially for smaller businesses or startups with limited budgets. While macro-influencers often charge exorbitant fees for sponsored content, micro-influencers are more flexible in terms of pricing and may even be open to collaborations in exchange for free products or services. So now that you understand the benefits of leveraging micro-influencer authenticity, how can you incorporate them into your social media strategy effectively? Identify relevant micro-influencers. Begin by identifying micro-influencers who align with your brand values and target audience demographics. Look for individuals who have built an engaged following within your industry niche. Build genuine relationships. Approach these influencers with genuine intentions rather than treating them purely as marketing tools. Take the time to build relationships by engaging with their content, sharing useful insights, or commenting on their posts. Collaborate on authentic content. When partnering with micro-influencers, encourage them to create authentic content that showcases your brand organically rather than resorting to overtly promotional tactics. This will resonate better with their audience and maintain trustworthiness. Track performance metrics. Monitor key performance metrics such as reach, impressions, engagement rates, website traffic, or sales generated from each collaboration campaign you undertake with different influencers. These metrics will help you assess which partnerships yield the best results and refine your future strategies accordingly. In conclusion, incorporating micro-influencers into your social media strategy can revolutionize your approach and yield significant benefits for your brand. By leveraging their authenticity, building trust, tapping into niche expertise, enjoying higher engagement rates, and benefiting from cost-effective marketing strategies, you can effectively reach and engage with your target audience in a meaningful way. So why wait? Start exploring the world of micro-influencers today and unlock the untapped potential they hold for your business. Remember, it's not always about reaching the largest audience, it's about connecting with the right people authentically.